this is Don from the Nearly Historical Railroad channel, and on this channel we do model train stuff, and we have a lot of fun with it. So subscribe if you haven't already, check out the other videos. So Kenosha Pass, I got rail down over there. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, here's our way up Kenosha Pass. And we had this turnout going off to the left working, but now I have this rail in place, hand laid. And you can see I'm going to do feeders right now. We can see what happens. Got through that turnout. Actually got that connected going the other way. That rail was already there, so did that. But this is all in place. All the way around this way, into there. And I also checked the gauge on all this. So I'm gonna do feeders, but Jim's here. Let's go check on that real quick. He's under the layout for a reason. He's got the hot glue gun going. Let's take a look upstairs. So up here is what he's working on. He's gonna be adding in, I think, some cardboard strips and stuff here to make this a little stronger than what it was previously. Soldering iron not plugged in all the way. Okay, I guess we'll wait for the soldering iron to warm up again. Works much better now. It's actually melting the solder. Okay, heaters are connected. I'm just putting on some border, keep it from falling on the floor in case it comes off. All right. Okay, train's running. I did a little bit of testing, and they kind of work. They work. There's a couple little issues. I fixed one issue. Probably gonna fix other issues later, but pretty successful though. This is good. Okay, there's some little issues to work out, but it's going through Kenosha Pass finally. This is good stuff. All right, so I have mixed feelings. I got that rail down, stuff went through it. Overall, everything actually worked pretty good. But I'm also kind of disappointed because there's, you know, a turnout issue there, a turnout issue over there. They're ones that I built and they just need to be tweaked a little bit, and that's fine. I know that happens sometimes, but I was just hoping everything was gonna magically work. My crazy Y turnout, that is actually working really well, so that's cool. I've got over here, let me show you. Hold on. This is a store-bought turnout that we had. It's a Shinohara, it's a short one. In both locomotives, as they come through, they're shorting out the driver, or the front wheels are shorting out on the points. Every time it goes through when it switches one direction. I think it's kind of, I mean, I don't like the way those are designed, but aside from that, I think it's just because the way the track curves and goes into it. So I dug this up. The one that's in there is a right hand. This is a left hand and it's longer. I think I'm just gonna probably put that in, because I don't really want to do custom ones up here, because it's all code 70 stuff, and that's fine. I'm gonna try and have to put that in. So that's kind of disappointing, but to be honest, I mean, look, all this, I can't see it because of cardboard, but this all worked actually really well, okay? This turnout, that one actually worked great. So, and all this through here, that worked great. So, I'm excited, and I'm, come here. Okay, yeah, so, hold on. All right, so, yeah, so I'm both kind of excited and a little bummed out. It's not all perfect, but I mean, we don't live in a perfect world, right? Okay, so we actually ran trains and stuff. Jim and John came. They ran stuff a little bit and talked a bunch. So it's kind of a work night slash just kind of hang out and run trains. But I did get a lot done today. That's cool. Anyways, I'm just babbling now. So anyways, you know what? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, ring the little bell so you get notifications. It's down there. When new videos come out, you get notification that way if you ring the bell. Anyways, I'm just blabbing. All right, that's it. I don't know. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching though, okay? We'll see you.